cut.
2 steps ahead. That's all it takes. So my beautiful YouTube people, we are actually almost at 40 subscribers. If we can get to the end of the year, I will not give away free gift cards because I'm broke and I don't even know how to do that. Plus, it's illegal if I don't give away them, but I'm not. Maybe if I have like 10 million subscribers, but I won't have that because I'll probably be dead by the time that happens. So, guys, if I get to 40 subscribers by the end of the year, what should I do, you think? I forgot he's a cameraman. I think I'll shave my head. That seems the
All right, let's go look at the set. So instructions are 2516.
So basically,
ha!
I probably spooked all you guys up there.
Let's go from the bottom.
I
Start
don't
from the
wanna
bottom, and now we're here. Start from the bottom, and now we're here.
So over here, you just press the Got your gun. You guys really need to be ready for.
You shot at me.
Like it was true. This I killing our children. I mean, I shot him right here.
Just show how this function works, and don't shoot it at me.
So we basically decapitated him.
You just said it again.
At least we can see that nice head.
Okay, now put it on.
She say I am a tiger. This is not going good. Oh no, 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 no.
Oh no. Is this where I
Okay, it's fine. Anyway, so basically the set is nice suspension. We're gonna go test
suspension. You said suspension. No, you're not going on it. No.
Flashbacks. Alright, look.
Okay.
Right,
So
then-
no. Higher. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's high. That's what it. Okay, now push down on it. Just keep up. Like, just keep twerking it. Now,
What?
When it comes to the skull truck, it has more suspension than it.
But look at the size comparison.
Now, when it comes to the set buying for sealed, this set is not worth the $100 seal unless you're like it.
Of course it's not. It's not worth $100.
Okay, now
it was worth the $35 we paid.
Okay, so the skull truck will be a later video. So let's just move back.
Get back there.
Well, we're focusing on the skull.
So basically, we have catch you guys again. I promise I won't.
Are there
do
any
it
other
anymore.
features, or is that it?
There's this feature.
Are you just gonna send all the video, just doing the same thing over and over again? Oh, come on, purchase. Okay, so
Anyway, so let's get on to the mini.
DX Kai.
Man, you can't watch me how to eat taki. Oh, my life isn't the same. I can't watch them eat taki. It's like brutal.
What?
Oh wait, I'm acting like someone else. So basically, we have Kai DX. Very nice. NINJAGO! Oh. Knuckle, he's just a commander.
When will Garminon's Dark Fortress review happen?
18 days.
No, you have to review every single one of your sets, because that's the best one, right?
I have to review all of that. Thanks for the air. Oh yeah, I'm getting off track. So, I don't know what else there is to review. Beautiful people, I'm done with this video, and I approve this message.